Vivo S19 Pro will be the industry's first to launch Sony's 50-megapixel IMX921 large bottom main camera and supports OIS optical image stabilization. There is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 OIS telephoto portrait supporting 50x digital zoom. The front side is surrounded by an anti-distortion wide-angle selfie shooter, possibly a 50-megapixel sensor. Both phones are embedded Aura light ring under the camera module. Both phones will pack 6.78 inches OLED panels, but their battery capacities will differ. 6000 mAh for the S19 and 5500 mAh for the S19 Pro. Vivo S19 Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9200 Plus, while the S19 will have the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Vivo has announced it will unveil the S19 and S19 Pro on May 30th in China.